Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, can y'all really?
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm JaMya. So I got a package from Rizos Curls. Super excited to try out their product, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm starting off with dirty, dry, built up gel, flakiness, and just nastiness. So it's definitely time to wash my hair. I'm using the Rizos Curls apple cider vinegar scalp and hair rinse, and this is a water-based texture that is just supposed to help cleanse and gently clarify your scalp. So before getting into this product, I'm just going to add some water into my hair just to hydrate it a little bit, and I separate my hair into 4 sections before applying this product into my scalp area. So really I'm just applying this all over each section, and I'm just really massaging it throughout my scalp before bringing it down to my hair. This apple cider vinegar rinse is filled with organic apple cider vinegar, lemon oil, and black tea kombucha. This has no sulfates, no silicones, or no parabens, and honestly it feels really good on my scalp. It doesn't have a terrible smell. As you guys know, the actual apple cider vinegar has a nasty smell, but this one has a pretty decent smell, and it does not linger onto your hair, so that's something that I love. So like I said before, this product is used to help gently clarify your hair while also getting rid of the excess buildup. It also helps nourish your scalp and hair with the natural ingredients that also helps balance your pH levels, which helps revives hair softness and enhances shine, and also purifies the scalp. After using this product a couple times, I definitely feel like the claims have held up to its standard, and it definitely works as it says it does by keeping your scalp cleansed and help remove that buildup and just really allowing your hair to be healthier and shinier. However, one thing I would like to mention is that after I rinsed this out of my hair felt like it was just being stripped, and I didn't like that feeling, so I was ready to put a deep conditioner right on top to soothe that out a little bit. But other than that, I really did enjoy using this product, and it really helped me getting my scalp clean. And as you guys can tell, my hair is shinier, it's healthier, the scalp is looking pretty good, and it's not dirty anymore. I would also say to use this product once a month or whenever you have heavy buildup, not every wash period. Moving on to the next product that we got from Rizos Curls is the Beach Waves Texturizing Salt Spray. So I'm starting off with my next day hair, and with this product, I'm just going to spray it all around my hair and just really see how this product works on my hair. This product is filled with blue agave, red algae, and prickly pear cactus, and this claims to enhance texture, volume, and shine to your hair while also helping to prevent frizz. So after using the spray, I'm just going to go ahead and take my blow dryer and just stretch out these curls. I love a good volumized wash and go style, so that's my go-to. So that's what I'm doing here, just really blow drying out my hair and stretching out these curls just to get the look that I desire. But as I was blow drying my hair, I literally smelled the texturizing spray on my hair, and it smells so good. It just gives you like a really nice light scent, nothing too heavy, nothing too crazy. But this is what my hair looks like so far. I'm just fluffing it out and kind of giving it that shape and just breaking up those curls a little bit. So I'm going back into the texturizing salt spray, and I'm just going to spray right on top of my hair, and this is typically where I get the most frizz at, so I'm just going to go ahead and seal that in there. So this is the final look of what my hair looks like. I love how my hair turned out. This is typically how I wear my wash and goes, and I really just love how lightweight and how fresh my scalp feels. So that apple cider vinegar rinse definitely did its job. I also love using the texturizing spray as a refresher throughout this wash and go, and also love how it just helped my frizz stay down, and I love the smell with this texturizing spray. If you haven't already, make sure you guys go ahead and check out these products in the link down below, or they're also available for you at your nearest Target. Let me know your thoughts on these products down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.